Fifth chapter, Air. Today we are going to discuss important part, that is waves. We are discussed these waves when they are the huge, they are make a natural disasters. So natural disaster, one of in that is a tsunami. Here one example they given in your textbook to understand how the waves are the dangerous, how they are the destroyed a life of a people. So tsunami, you know that is struck Hovik and in the Indian Ocean in a year of 2004, 26th December. The result of these waves, the major, that is earthquake. I think you all know about the earthquake. The earthquake had its epic center close to the western boundary of Sumtar. So this earthquake has measured with the Richter scale 9.0. It's a huge earthquake. So because of this earthquake, it's made a affected on a Indian plate went under the Burma plate. There was a sudden movement of in the sea floor and causing the earthquake. The ocean has displaced by a huge tide, that is 10 to 20 meters high, which they are the shown to the wild directions. A huge mass of ocean water flowed into the gap of was created by displacement. This was a make a huge displacement of a coastal lines of the land mass in the South and Southeast Asia, and it was thrust to the Indian plate below the Burma plate. The water mass has thrust back towards in the coastal line. This tsunami has traveled the speed around 800 kilometers per hour. You can imagine how it was terrible, the life of a people. And it is comparable speed, the commercial aircraft, the completely washed away the islands of Indian Ocean. That is in Indira Point in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and that marked to the southernmost point of India got completely submerged. It is completely became a mix up, and the huge waves, that is from the earthquake epicenter from to the Sumta towards the Andaman and Nicobar and Sri Lanka. The waves length, and that is in length and as well as discussed depth of water, and the travel speed also is declined from 700 to 900 kilometers per hour to less than 70 kilometers per hour. This tsunami traveled, that is up to depth of 3 kilometers from the coastal line. It was killed the more than 10,000 people, and the so many houses, lakhs of the houses of damaged. In India, the in India the worst affected areas in the coastal areas, those are Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Pondicherry, and the Andaman and Nicobar. So this earthquake was predicted in advance. The how much possibilities to give the notice of potential tsunami, and such a early warning system, it was across the in Pacific Ocean, but not in the Indian Ocean. The tsunami are the rare in the Indian Ocean, as the seismic activity is less as compared to the Pacific Ocean. The tsunami that in South and Southeast Asian coast in December 2004, it was distracting the tsunami in the last several hundred years. The more damages, loss of the life, property, because it is a result of a lack of monitoring. The early warning system and knowledge among the coastal dwellers of a Indian Ocean. The first indication that a tsunami is approaching, it the rapidly withdrawal of the water from the coastal region. And when it will happens on the coastal areas, the people going to the high ground, and they started assembling at the coast to the view miracle. So for that, it on when we see these damages, as well as the people will be rushed to the sea, the how it will be happens, that is also is one reason of the losing a life of people. So you can check it out all these points which I told today in 7th grade NCERT textbook. Thank you.